we'll continue on the types of large-scale retail businesses that exist. Now, we'll go to departmental stores. These are large-scale retail establishments which have several shops under one roof. And what are the features of a departmental store? They store varieties of goods under one roof. Each department specializes in different choice of class and choice of merchandise, and each department is independent. Then what are the disadvantages of departmental store? There is no discrimination as per price. Customers have the same, each good has the same price tag. And then there is bulk buying in departmental stores. Likewise, there is large scale for many customers to shop at the same time. And then departmental stores have warehouses where they store their goods. Also, it encourages impulsive buying. So what are the disadvantages of departmental stores? One, it is elite in nature. It stores expensive goods, and also it's not easily accessible. Not all states can afford to have a departmental store in it, and also the capital needed for the establishment of a departmental store might be unavailable to individuals that desire to have such. And also, it encourages impulse buying and also theft. And likewise, every capital outlay. Then let's go on to shopping malls. What are shopping malls? These are modern shopping centers and units with shops and that have walkways leading to different store or different departments, and they also have large parking spaces for different customers that will come in at different points in time. The next video will still continue more on the types of large-scale retail businesses that exist.